It was all a dream until that filthy rat came on the scene. Who knew he would do it? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hood classic. It's your boy, Otis Jones, and I'm back with the cologne, and I'm back with the beats too, and we freestyle. It's nice to meet you, but we chillin' and we smooth too. I rock with God. How about you? He could be a friend. He could tell you too how to live the life. This what we do. We swangin', we ain't banging. We chillin'. That's what we do too. Chillin' with my crew too. We rock with God.